aking pinakamamahal na prinsesa, Iday, Josephine Gardose, happy birthday. Enjoy your day today because this is your birthday. At saka maraming salamat sa iyong pagsuporta sa lahat-lahat sa amin at sa mga ating mga kamag-anak dyan sa Tapas. Lalong-lalo na kay tatay na nandyan ka lagi araw-araw. Kahit wala kami dyan na pupunuan mo lahat ng pangangailangan ni tatay. So anyway, ang wish ko lang lagi sa iyo, dahil tumatanda na tayo, good health, ingat lagi. Happy birthday, Day. Ito naman.
Hello, Ate Iday. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health and best in life. Lahat ng best, yun ang wish ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, Ate Iday.
Happy birthday sa aking magandang tita na si Tita Iday. At salamat sa mga regalo na binigay mo sa akin, tita. More birthdays to come and happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Ate Iday.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Day. Enjoy your birthday. Bye. I love you.
Happy birthday, Day. The first bite will be for you, okay? I love you and God bless you more, especially with good health, and love yourself first, okay? And for anything else, love yourself always, okay? Take care and you take care of yourself also. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Day! Yan, more birthdays to come. Kita-kits lang tayo next year. Uwi kami ni Nanay. Hi!
Hi! Happy birthday! Maging masaya ka sa iyong birthday. 60 ka na pala. Para kang bata patingnan. Mag-enjoy ka, Day. Hi! Mag-enjoy ka lagi. Ipagdasal ka namin ni Nonoy mo na maging maayos ang inyong katawan lagi. Day, happy birthday. I love you.
Hello. Hi, ginatamiyaw ko lang na ako nga pakaisa nga gwapa, hubin, virgin. Nga happy 18th birthday lang kanimo na Iday ah. Tani, damo pa nga birthday ang mag-aabot kanimo kag tani, makakita ka pa it pramanhon, charot. Enjoy lang imo nga birthday ah. Salamat gid sa tanan nga kaayo kag tanan nga bulig sa aton nga kapamilya. I wish you all the best in life.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Iday. More birthday to come and God bless.
Say happy birthday, Manang Iday! Say happy birthday! Cute face!
Happy birthday, Tita Iday. We love you.
Hi, Auntie Iday. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and God bless you. Happy birthday gali dayan sa amon nga pa kay isa nga maestra nga gwapahon nga dalaga tapos mabinuligon, mapinalanggaon. Ti, I wish you more birthdays to come. Salamat gid, salamat sa pagpalangga kay nanay. Tapos basta balaan mo dati palangga ka namon. Halongi imo nga beauty permi, i-enjoy mo lang imo nga discount. Tapos sana all 60 years old. Basta ti halong ikaw permi. Salamat gid nga kun waay kami ginadalaganan ka namon. Basta balaan mo dudatoy, balaan mo dudaatanan. Basta makauli ako mamarites na magita joke. Basta halong ikaw permi kag tapos ang imo nga health importante gid. Tapos, saan ikaw makakita ka? Apam! Joke lang. Basta ti halong ikaw halong ikaw. We love you, mwah, mwah, mwah. We love you, we love you.
Happy birthday, Ninay!
Happy birthday, Ninang. More blessings to come in good health. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy
Mother,
birthday.
happy birthday. Thank you, Auntie, sa lahat-lahat. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Ingat
po.
palagi.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Mayong aga, mayong udto, mayong gabi, hasta kismibi. Happy birthday, Ma'am Iday. Kung wala si Cardo, wala kagid. Kasusubong wala kamang gihapon. Happy birthday gid, Ma'am Iday. Kabay pa nga, ipo ihada, makaanak na. Goodbye.
Hi, Day! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang na maayo lang alawas kag lawigan na ikaw. Siyempre, duro pa yung mga alalagaan ta dyan. So, kinahanglan di ka maglobat. Happy lang, Permi. Kag enjoy lang. Si Arnold, gali, gusto niya mag-play ko no ka happy birthday nga, no? Nga song makanta kami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Hi guys, sa Zumba Girls. Bye-bye.
Sa amon pa kaisa nga mabinuligon. Happy 60 birthday day. Maghalong lang permi kag padayon lang day. Miss you day. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Oh, hello everyone. When I wake up early this morning, there's a message in the phone reminding me about the birthday of Ma'am Iday. How young are we, Ma'am? Hope to see you in Tapas soon. Happy birthday, Miss Josephine Forton Garduse. I hope you have many more birthdays to come, and love life, of course. I look forward for your happy ending relationship, next relationship. Again, happy birthday, and wish you more and more happiness in life, even though you're still single. But hope to see you soon to have a long life partner. Happy birthday, Ma'am. So I will be there on your birthday, hopefully, and see you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Day. God bless you always.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Day. We love you from the Lasuna Dilaria family
Iboy Hada,